learning takes place outside the classroom too. After all, MBA is about the holistic development of an individual, encompassing broad horizons of personality development, leadership, teamwork, strategy, and adaptability. IIM Indore, with its state of the art infrastructure such as sports complex, auditorium, gymnasium, alongside dedicated mentors and trainers, provides us with a plethora of platforms to explore and pursue our interests. As a EPGP participant, you also get a chance to host flagship events such as Alum Connect and Prabodhan, where not only you get to handle events of large footfalls, but also you get to interact with renowned leaders of India Inc. Finally, all I can say is IIM Indore's EPGP program lays a potent foundation for us in becoming the versatile leaders of tomorrow.
During the program, most of the activities are done by the participants in coordination with the program office, program chair, and the student activity coordination council. We have academic committee who take care of all the academic activity throughout the program. We have alumni committee who hosts the annual alumni event. We have a branding committee who ensures social media presence of the program as well as all the branding activity throughout the year. We have a corporate interaction committee who hosts the annual HR conclave Prabodhan. We also have an infrastructure committee who take care of all the logistics during the program as well as during the international immersion. And we have a placement committee who works with placement office to conduct all the placement activity for the participant. And we have a treasurer who ensures all the internal financial activities are tracked. All these efforts are coordinated by student activity coordinator along with program office and program chair.
I have been staying with my family at IIM Indore, and IIM Indore provides a separate accommodation for the family members, and it gives a home away from home experience. Not only that, we also have kids playing area, we have parks, gardens, sports complex in the campus. Overall, I can say that I had a very balanced life in terms of academic as well as my family life.
IIM Indore CPGP is a one-year full-time MBA program. There is an intensive course which primarily focuses on case-based teaching method. Case-based teaching method is actually very important for EPGP because the people here come with 5 years of experience, and that actually brings a different level of evaluation to case studies because people bring in their anecdotes from their experiences and even biases from their experience from what they have practically seen in the industry and what's presented on paper. In addition to case-based teaching methods, we have a lot of simulation courses wherein we get to apply what we have learned in the course. If you particularly want to specialize in a stream, then you get to choose from more than 50 electives that are offered in the last 2 terms of the course. We, as a batch, we also started an initiative in which we used to present our experiences about what we have learned in the industry and how a particular industry functions. So basically, we were trying to learn more from the batch as such. All in all, IIM Indore provides a platform to the students, but it's up to the students to leverage that platform to enhance their knowledge, to bring more to the class, and to take even more out of it.